Here we have the Searzall with the Bernzomatic TS8000, which is the recommended torch to go with the Searzall. And there's the camp propane tank. So let's get this thing assembled. And we have instructions, the main unit, and then we have the little spacing stick, just a little piece of wood, looks like a matchstick, and the Allen key. A little thumb screw here, and then the Allen key, the Allen screw, I believe, is under this little piece of tape here. Let's get this tape removed. There we go. Okay, so this slides in and out. And then to take it all the way off, you just loosen that thumb screw over there. And then there's a little slot to keep it from twisting or falling out with the thumb screw in. So installation looks to be pretty straightforward. Let me just get this lined up again. So the way you do this is you tighten it up, and let me grab the torch here. So that goes right in here. You want to make sure it's straight up and down. There's a little gap on the bottom here, because once you have it in there, it's fixed. So you want it pointed the right way off the bat. I'm going to grab the spacing stick, the little matchstick spacer. It's an 1/8 of an inch. And you need to use the spacer to make sure you don't damage the screen. If it's too far, if the torch head and the screens are too close or too far apart, you can't actually damage the screen. So we're gonna go ahead and slide your torch right into the Searzall unit there. You take the little matchstick spacer and you push it all the way in, so you have that exact amount of space. You can see there's the little wood spacer, and that's the amount of space you want between the torch and the screen, right? So let's just line this up, make sure it's perfectly lined up with where I want it to be. Make sure the spacing is correct, straight up and down. And then we just tighten it up. Make sure spacing is good there. Okay, so once you tighten it up, it's pretty much fixed, so you do want to make sure everything is nicely lined up. Oops. Okay, spacing is correct. Just tighten this up real nice. There you have it. That is it. Let's just loosen this thumb screw so I can slide this forward, get the matchstick out of there, tighten it up, and that's it. Super simple. And can screw it into the tank here. and that's it. There you have it. Your Searzall is assembled. Now we just have to season it before our first use, and I'll do a separate video for that, but it's basically you just need to hold this parallel to the ground. Obviously you want to make sure you have enough clearance under it that you're not burning anything, and you just light it up for a full 2 minutes. Once you do that, to create the oxidative layer on the screen so that it won't damage it after regular use, right? So you do need to do that 2 minute season first before you start using it.